Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this morning is December 5th and it's day 5 of Vlogmas, and I wanted to do a quick review of the Kardashian Diamond Collection perfume because I had promised that I was gonna do it when I did the unboxing of the perfume, and I haven't had time for a while, so I was gonna just do something real quick this morning. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First, let me just say these girls did an amazing job. If I were their mom, I would be so proud of them. I have 3 girls of my own, and I can't wait to see what they would do when their time comes. Okay guys, I am just so grateful to God for, you know, blessing me with these 3 girls. And then when I look at the Kardashians and how far they've come and what they're doing, I'm like, oh my gosh, I want my girls to be as strong as those girls are. Forget about everything that people say about these girls. These girls are moving mountains. They're doing amazing things, and you can't take that away from them. So going back to the perfume, so first I'm going to start with Kourtney's. Kourtney's is this one in the yellow diamond bottle. Kourtney's perfume reminds me of romance. Just opening up the bottle, first and foremost, it has this romantic air, you know. It smells of romance. It's beautiful. It has this floral scent to it. At the same time, it has a little bit of musk also, like really faint. And then it just has this beautiful, sweet smelling, musky, flowery scent going on. I really can't explain it, but the first thing that comes to my mind with Kourtney's is romance. It just has this romance in the air. It's beautiful. I absolutely love Kourtney's perfume. So next we have Kim's in this white bottle. Kim's perfume is clean. It has this clean scent to it. When you open up the bottle, you kind of smell coconut, and you smell musk, you smell flower. It's just a mixture, a blend of coconut, musk, and flower. So it's not like overly flowery, it's not overly sweet, it's just kind of spicy and sweet. So yeah, spicy and sweet. I really love Kim's perfume as well. It's something that I might wear like every day, you know, like on a daily basis. It's just absolutely delicious. This one too, I love it. And finally we have Chloe's in the pink bottle. Now, pink is my favorite color. I have 3 girls and I absolutely love pink. In fact, when they were growing up, everything I bought was pink, and now guess what guys? My first 2 kids can't stand pink. I think I wore them too much pink. They can't stand pink. But my last daughter still loves pink, and I hope she stays that way. So anyways, so Chloe's is pink. And what does pink remind you of? It's girly. It's sweet. It's floral. That's what Chloe's is. Chloe's, it's so girly. It's your girly's girl type of perfume, guys. It's sweet. It has floral going on. It's sweet. That's all I could say. So if you like anything sweet, just sweet and girly all the way, then you want to go with Chloe's. If you like musk and floral and date night, then you want to go with Kourtney's. And if you like clean, you know, not too, you kind of just like in between, then you want to go with Kim's. So overall, I would say these girls did an amazing job. I am proud of them, even though I'm not their mom. And because I have 3 girls, I would really want my girls to like be on their A game like this girl. So, and lastly, I want to talk about how long perfumes last on you, and they do last a long time. I would tell you they last 8 to 9 hours, if not more. And now it depends on how much you put on in the morning. For me, I don't put on that very much perfume when I go to work in the morning, but when I do come home, guys, I can tell you, I can still smell the perfume on me. So if you guys are thinking of getting any one of these perfumes, go right ahead. You're not gonna regret any one of this perfume. Courtney, Chloe, you guys did an amazing job, and congratulations. But if you ask me what my favorite is of all three of them, guys, let me tell you, this one, Courtney's. Now, I'm a sucker for romance. Maybe that's why, I don't know. But it's just so beautiful. The smell, and again, oh guys, so that was my review of the KKW Diamond Collection perfume. I hope y'all find that very helpful. And I just like the way these fit into my palm. Look at how beautiful and pretty these colors are. Oh my god, these girls did an amazing job, and we really had to give them credit for it. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and just in case you want to get any one of these perfumes, I'm going to say go right ahead. You're not going to regret this purchase. So don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell so you can be notified whenever I do post a new video. Thank you once again for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.